Shared mobility services like car sharing and bike sharing became more popular in recent years in many European cities. In practice, shared mobility systems aren't always designed or implemented with equity in mind. While they have the potential to support transport justice, they can also unintentionally work against it. That's why our project Share4Equity looks at this issue from a justice-oriented lens, exploring how shared mobility can help to create fairer and more sustainable urban mobility solutions in line with the 15-minute city concept.
So how do we do it? First, we look at the distribution of shared mobility services and what policies and rules shape them. And then we look at the perception and behavior, or how the shared mobility services are used, the perception by the people. And we also want to analyze community-led initiatives and test models that are more collaborative. So all of these methods and results will help us to create a justice-oriented toolkit, and we want to use it to assess how fair shared mobility services are distributed, who has access, who's involved in decision-making, and whose needs are really met. Finally, at the end, we want to put all these experiences into guidelines, which help local authorities to evaluate their policies and regulations with a more justice-oriented perspective.
Our international and transdisciplinary team is working closely with stakeholders and shared mobility providers to explore how our ideas can work in different countries. The Share4Equity team includes partners from across Europe and Canada, researchers, public authorities, and mobility providers. We believe this mix of perspectives will lead new and practice insight into how we can make shared mobility fairer and more sustainable for everyone.